Are you pushing your limits at the gym but feeling constantly sore and fatigued? Achieving your fitness goals isn't just about lifting heavier or running faster, it's also about how well you recover. Effective muscle recovery can boost your performance, prevent injuries, and ensure that you're always ready to tackle your next workout. Let's look at the top 10 tips to boost muscle recovery. At number 1, get adequate sleep. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your muscles to repair and grow. At number 2, stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for muscle function and recovery. Drink enough water throughout the day, especially after workouts. At number 3, proper nutrition. Consume a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Protein is especially important for muscle repair. Include foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, nuts, and seeds. At number 4, post-workout nutrition. Eat a post-workout meal or snack within 30 to 60 minutes after exercising. A combination of protein and carbohydrates can help replenish glycogen stores and aid muscle repair. At number 5, active recovery. Incorporate low-intensity activities like walking, swimming, or yoga on rest days. This can increase blood flow to muscles and help reduce stiffness. At number 6, stretching and foam rolling. Stretching after workouts can help improve flexibility and reduce muscle tightness. Foam rolling helps to release muscle knots and improve blood flow to the muscles. At number 7, take rest days. Schedule regular rest days to allow your muscles time to recover and grow. Overtraining can lead to injury and hinder progress. At number 8, use proper technique. Ensure you're using correct form during exercises to avoid injury and unnecessary strain on muscles. At number 9, massage therapy. Regular massages can help reduce muscle tension, improve circulation, and enhance recovery. And finally, at number 10, cold and heat therapy. Alternating between cold and heat therapy can help reduce inflammation and improve muscle recovery. Listening to your body and taking rest days are essential for preventing overtraining and injuries. Remember, recovery isn't just about resting, it's an active process that brings you one step closer to becoming stronger and more resilient. Embrace these tips, and watch your muscles, and your motivation, grow stronger every day. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.